Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Uthando Nesthembu and we are on Ulwandle. All right. So uLwandle goes and visits ubaba wakhe, right? Kahle kahle ubaba wakhe umbizile. The reason why ubaba wakhe ambizile, they wanted to discuss le ndaba yokuhlala ebarekise ngololwana or ke ngololwana or isiZulu bazalwa nasasakwaGaye. Sinalumpetha direct translation. Zulu is not my language, so sometimes my tongue gets twisted. So with that said, Lwandle has an appointment with the dad and they discuss uLwandle having to come back and staying in Mzumbe, right? ULwandle presented her like his problem to say first and foremost, Mzumbe indlu iyawa yenzani nje. It's not a right living state, and therefore I cannot live there. You understand? Meaning indlu kamamakhe is not where it's supposed to be. And then Umusa was like, but if you are willing for us to fix it, we can easily fix that house. So that's how Umusa tried to convince Ulwandle to say, no, everything is fixable. This issue is fixable. We can do it. Okay, fine, Shapo. They agreed with him. He will fix the house. They will fix the house together because money is not an issue. And Umseleku wants to go to Umzumbe ungafi. So the only way you go to Umzumbe ungafi, ukuthi some other people must stay there. But it's so ironic that every time he mentions ukuthi Umzumbe ungafi, he does not mention ukuthi Umpilo uhlala eMzumbe, because in the previous episode where Umpilo was shooting noMusa Mseleku, she did mention ukuthi uma wakhe uhlala le eThekwini alone and yena uhlala endlini kama wakhe la eseMzumbe endlu kaThobile. So I don't know ukuthi ufa kanjani because there's somebody, or maybe there needs to be a wife, someone's wife for culturally ukuthi umuzi ungafi. Like when you watch those things ukuthi mina kwethu mthuka uzolanyiswa uvuma ungavumi, that show, it's as if indlu ivuswa makunomakoti. I don't know, but you guys will correct me if it's culturally sound, right? So uLwandle ke it means ukuthi uzoya eMzumbe. So ihamba conversation nobaba wakhe. Where they were about to conclude the conversation, uLwandle then presented the fact ukuthi uphrekisile. Ambuza uMseleku athi umamakho akafuni ukuthi uphrekise la uhlala khona. Uphrekise kuphi? Because umamakhe kukasi lakhe akafuni into yomphekiso. Athi hayi relax, umuntu engimphrekisile useThekwini. I think ukuthi because they are already a famous family, uMacele is protecting her sanity as well, to say I don't want people to know our intimate business, because in an event where uLwandle marries somebody from the community, maybe people might know their business and stories might pour out or something like that. So she's preserving the private things that the public does not know, and thus doesn't want uLwandle to marry engololwaneni. So for me, if that's the reason, it makes sense, right? Because there's a lot to protect, considering ukuthi they are on the public eye. With that said, he explained ukuthi uphrekisile and he asked uMusa to go and tell uMacele. Musa then went to tell uMacele ukuthi situation is so. You could see that uMacele was not necessarily surprised, and she said ukuthi no, le ndlela ehambayo vele beyibonisa ukuthi ina something, ine spice nyana, ina something nje, angeke iziphelele kahle boyibona nje. However, uMacele asked something that made me ask myself ukuthi, do they trust Ulwandle's ability to make intellectual decisions for himself as a family, or do they not trust ukuthi Ulwandle can make intellectual decision on his own? This is why they then said, uMacele then said ukuthi for her to accept that pregnancy, there needs to be a DNA test. But for uSibindi, yes, I know they've got different mothers, but that was not the case. So what is the DNA test for exactly? Is it because she does not trust the girls, or she does not trust Ulwandle? So now there's a conflict if you watch the show, ne? Because now Umusa wants to be hands on. Umacele wants to wait for the DNA test. Now I support Umusa on this one, ne? In an event where the child is Lwandle's and then he is absent during the pregnancy, it's going to hurt the girl and it's going to make the girl's pregnancy unbearable, for a lack of a better word, because it means the support of her man she will not have. She will only have the support of her family. But Umusa is saying we must make sure ukuthi ugirl udla healthy. We must make sure ukuthi ugirl ukhashwa ekliniki. We must make sure ukuthi ugirl finds maternity wear, gets maternity wear. We as the Mseleku family needs to do all those logistics and all that admin, of which I applaud Umseleku for that, because most of the time it is the girl side of the family who's pregnant that does everything, because boys just vanish in situations like this. So Umseleku basically said, I am going to be present, I am going to do what needs to be done, and when I'm my boy, I'm going to support you in making sure you become a present dad even before the child is born. Mina-ke, my worry then becomes ukuthi uMacele noMusa, they are going to have conflict over this matter, because it means ukuthi uMusa is going to lie to his wife. It means ukuthi uGuy is going to do izinto behind Macele's back. Meaning ukuthi history is going to repeat itself, because there are things that Umayeni did not approve that Usibindi was doing. And Umseleku continued to do those things behind his wife's back, Nosibindi, which also made Umayeni end up saying ukuthi uSibindi uyayifanela nje noMusa, kanti umntana wanted the approval of ubaba wakhe and the support in this regard. So I think ukuthi when it comes to handling these pregnancies, the wives are handling them based on what they believe their children should be nurtured in. And then Umusa Mseleku is using logic to say this person cannot be just left like that. They need to be supported despite what the paternity would say, more especially if the boys believe ukuthi it's their children. So with that said, do you think ukuthi vele uLwandle uprekisile, or are they trying to cover up that story that was on Facebook that uLwandle uprekisile and uLwandle denied? I don't know. But okay, we'll see on the next episode, or when Izingane Zesithembu airs, because bona, they are bound to tell us who is pregnant, and then is that girl willing to be on the show, and is she going to be an additional of Izingane Zesithembu na? This is your girl, Disebo. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.